Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Establishing a profitable woodworking business can be a rewarding endeavor that combines craftsmanship, creativity, and entrepreneurship. For those passionate about woodworking, turning a hobby into a viable business requires careful planning, strategic thinking, and a clear understanding of the market. The journey begins with honing your skills and developing a unique product offering that sets you apart from competitors. Quality craftsmanship is paramount, as it directly influences customer satisfaction and repeat business. Investing time in perfecting your techniques and understanding the various types of wood, tools, and finishes available will ensure that your products meet high standards and appeal to your target market. As you refine your woodworking skills, it is also essential to identify your niche within the industry. The woodworking market is vast, encompassing everything from furniture to home decor, custom cabinetry, and artistic pieces. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of profitable woodworking project ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Determining your focus will help you tailor your business strategy, marketing efforts, and product development. Consider your strengths, interests, and the needs of your potential customers when choosing your niche. For instance, if you have a flair for design and enjoy creating unique, custom pieces, emphasizing bespoke items may attract a clientele willing to pay a premium for personalized products. Once you have established your niche, conducting thorough market research is crucial. Understanding who your potential customers are, what their preferences entail, and what prices they are willing to pay will help you position your business effectively. Analyze competitors in your area and online to identify trends, pricing strategies, and gaps in the market. This information will allow you to develop a competitive edge, whether through unique designs, superior quality, or exceptional customer service. A solid business plan is essential for translating your vision into a successful woodworking enterprise. Your plan should outline your business goals, target market, pricing strategy, marketing approach, and financial projections. A well-structured business plan not only serves as a roadmap for your operations, but is also instrumental in securing funding if needed. Potential investors or lenders will want to see a detailed plan that demonstrates your understanding of the market and your strategy for achieving profitability. When it comes to financing your woodworking business, several options are available. You may choose to self-fund through savings or reinvest profits from initial sales. Alternatively, consider seeking small business loans, grants, or crowdfunding to gather the necessary capital for equipment, materials, and marketing. Be mindful of your budget and keep track of expenses to ensure that your business remains financially viable from the outset. Setting up a workshop is another critical aspect of establishing your woodworking business. A well-organized and efficient workspace is essential for productivity and safety. Whether you are working from home, renting a dedicated space, or investing in a larger facility, ensure that your workshop is equipped with the necessary tools and safety equipment. Consider the layout of your workspace to optimize workflow and minimize hazards. An organized workshop not only enhances efficiency, but also creates a professional environment that can impress potential customers. Marketing your woodworking business is a vital component for attracting customers and generating sales. In today's digital age, establishing a strong online presence is essential. Create a professional website showcasing your products, services, and craftsmanship. High-quality photographs of your work can significantly enhance your online appeal, allowing potential customers to see the details and quality of your pieces. Consider utilizing social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to share your work, engage with your audience, and promote your brand. Regularly updating your online presence with new projects, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and woodworking tips can help build a loyal following. Networking within the woodworking community and local business circles can also be beneficial. Attend trade shows, craft fairs, and local markets to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. Building relationships with other artisans, suppliers, and industry professionals can lead to valuable collaborations, referrals, and insights into market trends. Consider joining woodworking associations or online forums to expand your network and stay informed about industry developments. Customer service plays a crucial role in establishing a profitable woodworking business. Providing an exceptional customer experience can lead to positive reviews, repeat business, and referrals. Be responsive to inquiries, transparent about pricing and timelines, and proactive in addressing any issues that may arise during the purchasing process. Building trust with your customers will enhance your reputation and contribute to long-term success. As your business begins to grow, it is important to continuously evaluate and adapt your strategies. Monitor your sales, expenses, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Consider expanding your product line or exploring new markets if you notice demand for different types of items. Staying attuned to industry trends and customer preferences will help you remain competitive and relevant in the ever-evolving woodworking landscape. Another aspect to consider is scaling your business operations. As demand for your products increases, you may find it necessary to hire additional staff or invest in more advanced equipment to maintain quality and efficiency. Training employees in your techniques and standards will ensure that the craftsmanship remains consistent across all products. Additionally, consider automating certain processes where feasible, such as using CNC machines for precision cutting or investing in jigs and fixtures to streamline repetitive tasks. Pricing your products appropriately is critical for profitability. Take into account the cost of materials, labor, overhead, and desired profit margins when determining your prices. Research competitor pricing to ensure your offerings are competitive while still reflecting the quality of your work. Be transparent with customers about the value they are receiving for their investment, highlighting the craftsmanship, uniqueness, and durability of your products. Incorporating feedback from customers can provide valuable insights for improving your products and services. Encourage reviews and testimonials to gauge customer satisfaction and identify areas for enhancement. Engaging with your audience through surveys or informal conversations can also yield ideas for new products or adjustments to existing ones. By actively listening to your customers, you can foster loyalty and create a sense of community around your brand. Establishing a profitable woodworking business also involves navigating legal and regulatory requirements. Depending on your location, you may need to register your business, obtain necessary permits, and comply with zoning laws. Ensure that you have the appropriate insurance coverage to protect your business and assets. Consulting with a legal professional or accountant can help you navigate these complexities and ensure compliance with local regulations. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of passion and perseverance in your woodworking business journey. Building a successful enterprise takes time, effort, and resilience. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but maintaining a positive attitude and a willingness to adapt will serve you well. Focus on your long-term vision and celebrate the small victories along the way. The combination of your craftsmanship, business acumen, and dedication will ultimately lead to a thriving woodworking business. In conclusion, establishing a profitable woodworking business is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a blend of craftsmanship, strategic planning, and market understanding. By honing your skills, identifying your niche, and creating a solid business plan, you can lay the foundation for success. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable woodworking project ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.